Figured I'd just let you see what the parking spot looks like. I'm finally using the Greenwood Creek bird feeders and bog area. That's Lake County too. Oh, probably, I don't know, 70 yards away. It's a big parking spot. You can also drive 6/10 of a mile closer to the bog. From right here where I'm standing, it's about a mile each way. And then you can see I'm just walking in right off the parking lot. I just refilled the feeders. I hadn't been willing to come up here because of mosquitoes, and there they are. Anyhow, it's finally nice once again. The mosquitoes, at least this time of day, which is around 11 o'clock, aren't bad at all.